In the United States, there are many different types of criminal offenses, ranging from minor misdemeanors to serious felonies. The immigration consequences of criminal conviction will depend on the type of offense and the severity of the offense, and other factors such as individual's immigration status and criminal history. In general, minor misdemeanors such as traffic violations or minor drug offenses are less likely to result in deportation or other serious immigration consequences. However, even minor offenses can sometimes have negative immigration consequences, and it is important to understand for immigrants to consult with a qualified immigration attorney before entering a guilty plea or accepting any plea agreement in a criminal case. Some examples of minor misdemeanors that may not necessarily result in deportation or other serious immigration consequences include traffic offenses such as speeding or running a stop sign, disorderly conduct, a simple possession of small amount of marijuana, petty theft, usually defined as theft of property worth less than a certain amount such as $500, certain types of low-level fraud or forgery offenses. On the other hand, certain types of more serious misdemeanors or felony offenses can have serious immigration consequences, including deportation, inadmissibility, and the inability to obtain or renew a visa or green card. These offenses may include domestic violence, drug trafficking or distribution, aggravated DUI or other serious traffic offenses, certain type of thefts or fraud offenses such as embezzlement or identity theft, crimes involving moral turpitude (CIMT), which generally includes crimes involving dishonesty, fraud, or violence. It is important to note that the immigration consequences of criminal conviction can be complex and nuanced and will depend on the specific facts and circumstances of each case. Immigrants who have been charged with a criminal offense should seek the advice of qualified immigrant attorneys to help understand their legal rights and options.